Ezemfundo zakhahlamezeka kakhulu ngenxa yesifo se-COVID-19. Konhlaba kwabe sekushona isisebenzi ezingama-41 ngenxa yezifo eziyamene ne-COVID-19. Kwathinteka isikole ezilinganiselwe emakhulwini amathathu. Inyunyana yothisha i-South Afrikaanse Onderwysers Unie ikholelwa ekutheni lokhu kukodwa kufanele ngabe kugqugquzela abantu ukuthi bagome.
Still, we have to respect those who do not want to vaccinate for valid reasons. If the reasons for not being vaccinated are a bit suspicious, we cannot support that.
Le nyunyana ithi ongahambi kahle ohlelweni lokugoma akumele kushaye indiva.
If there are proven medical reasons, if there are reasons that they can prove morally prove, then we need to support them.
Umnyango wezemfundo eNorthern Cape usukhipha izizathu zokuthi kungani othisha abangaphezulu kwesikulungwane esithathu bengakogumi.
In the 3,000 plus who were not vaccinated, we are aware that most of them are those who were on special leave, medical leave, maternity leave. There are those who tested positive for COVID-19, so as a result, they could not get vaccinated.
Umnyango wezemfundo uthi ukugoma kuzokwehlisa amathuba ukuthi kuvalwe isikole ngenxa yokuthi abantu basuleleke nge-COVID-19.